Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. I have another haul for you guys. This one is from the Daily Grind. If you want to see what I purchased, stay tuned and we'll open this together. Okay, let's do it. Let's open it. Okay, so there's 3 of these, and I'll show you what they are. Okay, so there was a bundle where you could get 3 of these. So let me show you. That's how I bend my tweezers, you guys. That's okay. Okay, let's get this out. So this is the actual frame and cover. So let me just open this. There's stuff here. Let me see. Okay. So it has an opening on the side. You open it and you have enough space to put a cover. And these are removable, in case you were wondering. And yes, I have it upside down. I do have a cover that I'm gonna take off. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you can drop in here. So it looks like you can have maybe a couple covers in here, like for storage wise, but take a look at this. I'm gonna show you right now. What you can do also is store them right here. So do you see how it has a little turny thingy? Like so. We're gonna put that one in here too because it will fit. Probably, maybe not. Yeah, looks like just one. Yeah, so just one of them will fit, but then you can just move these and it will hold them in place. Like so. If like I wanted to open the other way, so I'm gonna swap this. Because I like opening things this way, like a book. Okay. Just gonna move all of these. This one is so hard to move. I don't know why. As you can see, I'm fighting with it, but It's not really budging. Okay. I'm gonna call it what it is and call it a day, but I figured that when you do this, let's see if this will work. Okay. I figured that maybe I could store my discs in here too. Let's see. See if I could close it. Yep, so both of my covers are in here with the discs. You can hear it. I think it's a great purchase. Again, you can use my code for a discount. The problem with it is that you kind of have to do it. Oh, maybe I can undo this and do it the way I want it. Let's see. Because it looks like this is movable. And then you can do it whatever side you wanted. And then this will be the right side up, and I can hang it up because these only go one way. So yeah, that is that. I have 3 of those. This one, I might not be hanging up. This might just sit on my shelf here, like on my shelf in my office. So you let me know what you guys are going to be doing with yours. I think this is so cool to have like a full display for your covers, especially these that are so gorgeous. Let me know which ones you are going to be displaying. I might be switching it to one of the ones from the summer. I don't know yet, but yeah, keep me posted and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.